Something impossible just happened to our rainbow crystals. They've lost all their colours, but wait until you see what we discover. I've tested everything. Temperature, pH, crystal structure, but these rainbow crystals refuse to sparkle. There's only one scientist who can solve this mystery. Wait, I know exactly who can help. She can shrink to microscopic size. Dr. Marina, we need your amazing shrinking powers. Can you discover what's happening inside them?
Professor Nova, I'd love to help. My shrinking ability lets me explore worlds that are invisible to everyone else. It's absolutely magical. Let's solve this mystery together.
Dr. Marina, thank goodness you're here. Look at these crystals. They should be sparkling with rainbow magic, but they're completely transparent.
Fascinating. The crystal structure looks perfect, but something's definitely wrong inside. I'll need to shrink down and investigate from within. Here we go! Shrinking to microscopic size is always an incredible adventure. Nobody knows what amazing things we'll discover inside. I can feel myself getting smaller and smaller. The crystal is becoming huge around me. This is the most amazing feeling in the world. Wow! Inside this crystal is like a magical cathedral made of geometric rainbows. But wait, something's not right with the colors. Oh my goodness! There are tiny rainbow sprites living in here, but they look so confused and sad. Their colors are all faded. Hello, little sprites. Don't be afraid. I'm here to help. Can you tell me why you've lost your beautiful rainbow colors? I understand now. You've forgotten how to dance together to create rainbow magic. I can help you remember your special dance. Follow my movements, little sprites. Move to this position, then flow to that one. Yes. You're starting to remember your rainbow dance. Yes, you're doing it. Look how your colors are coming back. Keep dancing together. You're creating the most beautiful rainbow magic. Incredible. The entire crystal is exploding with rainbow light. You sprites are amazing. Mission accomplished, little friends. Time for me to grow back to normal size. But I'll never forget our rainbow adventure together. Professor Nova, the rainbow magic is back. The sprites inside were just confused.
Dr. Marina, this is amazing. Every crystal in our garden is sparkling with rainbow magic again. You've saved our beautiful crystal garden. Sometimes, the tiniest problems need the tiniest solutions. That's where your shrinking ability really helps. Dr. Marina, your incredible shrinking ability and kind heart make you perfect for WonderLabs. Will you join our team of amazing scientists?
I'd be honored to join WonderLabs. With my shrinking powers and your wisdom, we can solve any microscopic mystery that comes our way. Subscribe to WonderLabs for more amazing microscopic adventures. Science is magical when we work together.
WonderLabs, WonderLabs, meet our scientific crew. WonderLabs, WonderLabs, amazing experiments just for you.